Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to silence calls and ringtone notifications in Telegram on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram account on your PC. Next, click on the three dots in the top left corner of the screen and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Notifications and Sounds on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see various options for customizing your notification settings. To silence calls and ringtone notifications, scroll down to the Calls section and toggle off the option for notifications for private chats. This will prevent your PC from ringing when someone calls you or sends you a message in a private chat. And that's it. You have successfully silenced calls and ringtone notifications in Telegram on your PC. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without being disrupted by constant notifications. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video. See.